Did you know that some of the best hunting knives on the market cost less than a tank of gas? Sounds hard to believe, right? Most people assume you need to spend hundreds of dollars to get a knife that's tough enough for field dressing, camp chores, and survival situations. But the truth is, there are some incredible hunting knives under $100 that punch way above their price tag. Today, we're counting down the 5 best hunting knives under $100, comparing their strengths, weaknesses, and overall value so you can find the perfect blade for your next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just building your outdoor kit, one of these knives could be exactly what you're looking for. And remember, all the links are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Golden Bird Butcher Knife Set. If your hunting trips usually end with processing game back at camp or at home, the Golden Bird Butcher Knife Set deserves your attention. Unlike the other knives on this list that focus on versatility, this set is all about efficiency during game preparation. You get multiple purpose-built blades, including a butcher knife, skinning knife, and boning knife, all crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel that offers impressive sharpness and edge retention. Compared to the Gerber StrongArm or Buck 110, this isn't the knife you'd strap to your belt during a hunt, but when it's time to break down large game, it completely outclasses single blade options. The textured handles provide excellent grip even in slippery conditions, and the included canvas carrying case keeps everything organized. The trade-off? You lose the portability and convenience of a standalone knife, but if your priority is processing efficiency and value, this set offers an incredible amount of functionality for the money. What really makes this set stand out is how much time and effort it can save after a successful hunt. Instead of trying to force one blade to perform every task, each knife is specifically designed for a particular stage of meat processing. The boning knife allows for precise cuts around joints, while the skinning knife helps separate hide cleanly without damaging the meat underneath. This specialized approach often results in cleaner cuts, less waste, and an overall smoother experience. For hunters who regularly harvest deer, elk, or other large game, investing in a dedicated processing kit can significantly improve efficiency. While it may not replace the field knife on your belt, it complements it perfectly. What do you think? Would you rather carry one do-it-all knife or a complete processing kit? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Gerber Gear StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. When it comes to pure toughness, the Gerber StrongArm is one of the hardest working knives you can buy under $100. Built with a full-tang 420 HC stainless steel blade and featuring Gerber's signature rubberized grip, this knife thrives in survival situations, campsite duties, and demanding outdoor environments. Compared to the Buck 110, the StrongArm is significantly more rugged and better suited for hard-use tasks like betoning wood or emergency situations. It may not have the refined craftsmanship of the Damascus blades higher on our list, but it doesn't pretend to. Instead, it focuses on durability, reliability, and versatility. The striking pommel adds extra utility, while the modular sheath system gives it an edge over many competitors in terms of carry options. If you're looking for a knife that prioritizes function over appearance and can handle just about anything you throw at it, the StrongArm is tough to beat. Another reason the StrongArm continues to earn praise from outdoorsmen is its confidence-inspiring design. The ergonomic handle remains secure even when wet, muddy, or used with gloves, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged tasks. Its corrosion-resistant steel is also relatively easy to sharpen in the field, making maintenance less intimidating for beginners. While some dedicated hunting knives excel in skinning, the StrongArm shines because of its adaptability. Whether you're building a shelter, preparing firewood, processing game, or tackling unexpected survival challenges, it performs with remarkable consistency. It's the kind of knife that may not draw attention because of flashy materials, but it earns respect through dependable performance. But here's the question: would you sacrifice elegance for pure performance? Number 3. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Knife Few Knives have earned the legendary status of the Buck 110 Folding Hunter. For decades, hunters have trusted this iconic folder to handle everything from field dressing deer to everyday camp chores. Its 420 HC stainless steel blade delivers dependable cutting performance, while the lockback mechanism provides impressive strength and confidence during use. Compared to the Gerber StrongArm, the Buck 110 offers far better portability and a more traditional hunting experience, though it can't quite match the StrongArm's abuse use tolerance. And while modern folders may be lighter and quicker to deploy, few can compete with the Buck's timeless design and proven reliability. The genuine ebony wood handle and brass bolsters give it a premium feel rarely found at this price point. Sure, it's heavier than most folding knives, but many hunters actually appreciate that solid, reassuring weight. Part of what makes the Buck 110 so special is the nostalgia and trust it carries from one generation to the next. Many hunters received their first buck knife from a parent or grandparent, creating an emotional connection that's difficult to replicate with newer designs. Beyond sentiment, its practical performance continues to hold up remarkably well in today's market. The clip-point blade offers excellent control for detailed cutting tasks, and Buck's renowned heat treatment helps maximize the steel's potential. While it may not feature modern assisted opening systems or lightweight synthetic materials, its straightforward design has stood the test of time for a reason. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, heritage, and a knife that simply gets the job done year after year, the Buck 110 remains an outstanding choice. Number 2. BIGCAT Roar Predator Hunter. If you're searching for a knife that combines serious field performance with handcrafted beauty, the BIGCAT Roar Predator Hunter might steal your heart. Featuring a hand-forged Damascus steel blade and an ergonomic walnut handle, this knife feels every bit as premium as it looks. In practical use, its deep-bellied drop-point blade excels at skinning and game processing, while the full-tang construction provides the strength needed for demanding outdoor tasks. Compared to the Buck 110, the BIGCAT offers superior cutting leverage and a more secure grip during extended use. Against the Gerber StrongArm, it wins points for aesthetics and slicing performance, but falls behind slightly in low-maintenance practicality due to its high-carbon Damascus steel construction. The genuine leather sheath completes the package, making this knife feel more expensive than it actually is. For hunters who appreciate craftsmanship without sacrificing functionality, the BIGCAT strikes an impressive balance between beauty and utility. Beyond its visual appeal, the Damascus pattern serves as a reminder of traditional bladesmithing techniques that many collectors and outdoor enthusiasts admire. The knife's ergonomic handle design contributes to improved control during repetitive tasks, helping reduce hand strain while processing game. Owners often describe it as a knife that sparks conversation around the campfire while still proving itself in real-world conditions. Of course, Damascus steel requires more care than stainless alternatives, especially in humid environments, but many users consider that maintenance routine part of the ownership experience. If you enjoy carrying gear that reflects personality and craftsmanship while remaining genuinely capable in the field, the BIGCAT Roar Predator Hunter deserves serious consideration. Number 1. Himalt 10.5-inch handmade Damascus knife. Taking the top spot on today's list is the Himalt 10.5-inch handmade Damascus knife, a bold, eye-catching blade that delivers both performance and personality. With its hand-forged Damascus steel construction and distinctive handle crafted from ram horn, camel bone, and decorative spacers, this knife stands apart from everything else we've discussed. But this isn't just about looks. The large blade profile excels at processing big game, tackling camp tasks, and handling demanding cutting jobs with confidence. Compared to the BIGCAT Roar, the Himalt offers a larger working platform and more dramatic styling, making it an excellent choice for hunters who want their knife to make a statement. However, that added size does reduce portability, especially compared to compact options like the Buck 110. It also requires more maintenance than stainless steel alternatives. Even so, for hunters seeking a functional workhorse with undeniable character, the Himalt offers remarkable value and an unforgettable design. One of the biggest advantages of a larger hunting knife is the increased versatility it provides during heavy-duty work. The extended blade length can make tasks like quartering large animals, clearing brush around camp, or preparing firewood more efficient. At the same time, the handcrafted nature of the Himalt means no two knives are exactly alike, giving each owner something truly unique. That individuality appeals to hunters who view their gear as more than just equipment. Still, buyers should consider whether the knife's size aligns with their intended use. Those prioritizing compact carry may prefer a smaller option, but for users who appreciate bold aesthetics and substantial cutting power, the Himalt delivers an experience that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. So, which hunting knife under $100 comes out on top? After comparing overall performance, versatility, durability, maintenance, and value, the Gerber Gear StrongArm fixed blade knife takes the crown as our overall winner. While the Golden Bird excels at processing, the Buck 110 10 dominates the traditional folding category, and both Damascus blades deliver incredible craftsmanship. The Gerber StrongArm simply offers the best all-around package. It's durable, practical, comfortable to use, easy to maintain, and versatile enough to handle everything from hunting trips to survival situations. If you could only choose one knife from today's list, the StrongArm is the blade we'd recommend most hunters carry into the field. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best hunting knives under $100. Which one would you trust on your next hunting adventure?